Greetings of the day. I am Dr. Loitongbam Jaya Devi, Assistant Professor, Kristu Jayanti College, Autonomous, Bangalore. Today we are going to talk on Morton Kaplan's system approach in international relations. So before understanding Morton Kaplan's system approach in international relations, we should know what is a system. So a system is a set of interconnected units that function together as a whole. For example, we have human body system, solar system, ecosystem, political system, international system, and so on. So for functioning of human body, we have different parts or units that working together to make the entire system running. For example, we have human hearts, intestine, we have brain, limbs, etc. All this together work together to make a system, human body system, functioning. So a system consists of all those elements or variables which remain independent on each other. The system approach has been taken from the biological science to social sciences during the industry. So a system is a set of interconnected units that function together as a whole. For example, human body system, solar system, ecosystem, political system, international system, and so on. In order for a human body to function properly, we have different parts working together. For example, we have hearts, we have brain, intestine, limbs, etc. working together in a very systematic way in order to make the body function. So a system consists of all those elements or variables which remain interdependent on each other for making the system functionable. The concept has been taken from the biological science to social sciences during the behavioral revolution. In political science, David Easton used system approach for understanding political system. In his system approach, he has given the input-output model as shown in the diagram. So now we will understand system approach in international relations. So system approach in international relations is a theoretical framework that views the international system as a complex whole made of interconnected parts or units. So the units in the international system are the nation states, non-state actors, MNCs, etc. So these units interact and makes the international system a whole. According to Morton Kaplan, system approach is the only method that could be used to develop a scientific study of international relations. In the book System and Process in International Politics, published in the year 1957, Morton Kaplan provides 6 models of international system. The 6 model of international system. So the first one is the balance of power system. So these are hypothetical in nature. So the balance of power model involves a distribution of power among multiple states to prevent any one state from becoming too dominant and thus maintaining stability in the international system. The second one is the loose bipolar system. So in this model, there are 2 superpowers surrounded by various other smaller powers. The third one is the tight bipolar system. So here, tight bipolar system deals with only 2 superpower and the other neutral alliances that have no role or nothing to do in the international relations. The fourth one is universal actor system. So the universal international system grows when the universal actors takes over many of the functions of the powerful units in a loose bipolar system. The fifth one is hierarchical system. So the universal actors become too powerful and the international community becomes a pattern of world state. In this model, states are arranged in a hierarchical order based on their power and influences. The final one, the 6th point, is unit veto system. So this model involves a system where each state has equal power and can exercise veto authority over the decisions. That's all for now. Thank you so much.